kittens discovering the world for the first time. Yeah, what is this place? It's not like your little pink hut, right? Oh my god, they're so cute. So this is Snowball. Snowball. Hi, Snowball. Flat-faced, but gray ears, light gray ears, light gray nose. This is Blizzard, the beast. He looks like his daddy. He's Stormy, right? There's Stormy. And then this is Flurry, and he or she looks like it's Mama. Just all white with pink nose and pink ears, like little Miss Piggy. What's that? What you doing? Is this super cool? Yeah? Super cool? Oh.